Feng Shui strategies during land development. How to maximize ROI. Feng Shui isn't just about interior design, it starts at the land development stage. Smart developers use Feng Shui principles to select the right plots, optimize layouts, and create high-value projects that attract buyers faster. Here are 5 Feng Shui strategies to maximize ROI during land development. 1. Choosing the right land. The dragon vein principle. In Feng Shui, land with strong qi, energy, follows natural dragon vein lines, subtle earth energy currents. Look for white check mark emoji, gentle slopes, symbolizing support and stability, white check mark emoji, natural water sources nearby, rivers, lakes equals wealth energy, white check mark emoji, avoid killing breath land, dead-end plots, cliffs, or land near prisons/hospitals. Developer tip: before purchasing, consult a Feng Shui master to scan for underground water veins or geomantic conflicts. 2. Optimizing the site layout. A. The armchair formation. The ideal layout mimics an armchair, mountain/high ground behind, protection, open space in front, opportunity, lower land on sides, like armrests. Example, a Hong Kong developer reshaped a hillside to create this formation. Units sold at 30% premium. B. Road and access placement. Curving entrance roads slow qi for accumulation. Avoid straight roads shooting into the property. Arrow poison. Main gate facing prosperous direction. Based on flying star analysis. 3. Balancing earth energies before construction. A. Land clearing rituals. Traditional groundbreaking ceremonies. Select an auspicious date. Avoid clashes with owner's zodiac. Bury a Feng Shui foundation stone with cinnabar/coins. Place temporary water features to activate wealth qi. B. Terracing and leveling. Never completely flatten land. Retain natural contours. Create small mounds in the northeast. Stabilizes education luck. Gentle drainage toward the front. Wealth flows in, not away. 4. Infrastructure with hidden Feng Shui benefits. Feature Feng Shui benefit ROI impact. Infinity pool symbolizes endless wealth when facing north plus 12% value. Serpentine walking paths slows and collects qi higher dwell time. Underground parking with skylights prevents yin energy buildup faster leasing. 5. Timing the development phases. Feng Shui's flying star calendar reveals, calendar emoji, best months to start excavation. Avoid 5 yellow misfortune star, calendar emoji, ideal dates for sales launches. Align with wealth star positions, calendar emoji, when to complete landscaping. Maximize mountain star support. Case study, a Bangkok condo delayed piling by 3 weeks to avoid inauspicious stars, sold out in 2 months. The bottom line, developers using Feng Shui from day one benefit from black check mark emoji, higher price per square foot, 5 to 25% in Asian markets, black check mark emoji, faster absorption rates, black check mark emoji, fewer stalled projects. Want a Feng Shui land assessment? Contact our consultant team for qi mapping.